Hi, it's Laurel here again with the blue circle rug design. My last video I showed you how we painted the inside of the hem, and this video then we applied three base coats on all of our rugs, okay, before we paint the design. Now this design is the circle rug. So what I'm going to do, because on this particular design I really want the colors to pop, okay? So for example, on the ethnic rug, I paint directly on the black paint different circles of the base coats of the different colors I want to use. But with this blue one, I use much brighter colors and I really want it to pop out. So what I'm going to do is paint the base coat in white, okay? And if it's a really large rug, I'll draw them. But this is a small rug. It's 27 inches by 43 inches. So I'm just going to freehand circles with the white paint. So I will fill this entire rug with the white circles, and then I'll start painting the designs, and I'll take you along to show you how I do that. And most of those designs are just, they're like doodling. They're not even, preconceived designs. I just start, and I have different colors, and I just start. But some of them are some designs that they're kind of traditional for this particular circle rug. So I'm going to keep painting my white circles, and I'll get back to you when I start painting the designs. Hi, it's me again. I had a change of plans. I was going to freehand the circles, but then I decided that I wanted to draw them first. And so when you're drawing on a dark rug like this dark blue or black, you can use some chalk. And this way I have my spacing, I have different sizes, I can see where I want my big circles, medium. You want to change your shapes. You don't want to have the same size uniform over the rug. You would have some small ones, maybe a bigger one in the corner. So I just wanted to share with you that after painting this first one, I decided to get some chalk, and now I've got my game plan about all the circles on the rug. And that's the way we roll at Laurel's Originals. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.